Have you ever stopped to ponder why programming has become the backbone of the modern world? It's not just about coding. It's about the ubiquitous role of technology in our day-to-day lives. From the smartphones we check in the morning to the cars that ferry us to work, programming is the invisible force that keeps our world turning. Think about the industries that have been revolutionized by programming. E-commerce, for instance, has completely transformed how we shop, while streaming services have reshaped entertainment. Then there's the realm of science and medicine, where programming is paving the way for advancements in areas like data analysis and genetic research. In essence, programming is much more than a set of instructions for machines. It's the language of our digital era, shaping our lives in ways we often don't even realize. Indeed, programming is the invisible thread weaving together the fabric of our digital age. Let's start our exploration with Python, a snake that has charmed the programming world. Python, named after the comedic British troupe Monty Python, not the slithery reptile, is known for its simplicity and readability. It's like the English language of programming, with a syntax so clean and straightforward that it's often the first language taught in coding boot camps and computer science courses. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. Python is incredibly flexible, capable of powering anything from small scripts to large systems. Its versatility extends to a wide variety of applications. For instance, web developers use frameworks like Django and Flask to build robust websites and applications. Data scientists employ libraries such as Pandas and NumPy to crunch numbers and make sense of complex data sets. Artificial intelligence researchers use Python to train machine learning models with tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Python's vast standard library, affectionately known as the batteries included philosophy, coupled with a vibrant ecosystem of third-party packages, means you can find a Python module for almost anything. From web scraping and game development to robotics and astronomy, Python has found its place. Python's simplicity in learning and versatility in usage have made it a darling of the programming community. It's not just a stepping stone for beginners, it's a powerful tool in the hands of seasoned professionals. Python's simplicity and versatility have made it a go-to language for many programmers and industries. Next, we dive into JavaScript, the language of the web. This dynamic programming language has carved out a unique space for itself in the world of web development. It's everywhere on the web, from the simplest of websites to the most complex web-based applications. JavaScript's superpower lies in its versatility. It's an event-driven language, meaning that instead of waiting around for a sequence of commands, JavaScript springs into action when an event, like a click or a key press, occurs. This makes it ideal for creating interactive and responsive web pages. But that's not all. JavaScript is also an object-oriented language. This means it deals with objects, self-contained entities that bundle together properties and behaviors. This approach makes organizing and manipulating data a breeze, which is a key aspect of any web application. While JavaScript started off as a front-end language used to add interactivity to web pages, it has since expanded its territory. Thanks to Node.js, a runtime environment, JavaScript is now a full-stack language. This means it can be used for both front-end and back-end development, making it a one-stop shop for web developers. JavaScript has proven itself to be more than just a scripting language. It's a robust and flexible tool that powers the interactive web we know and love. JavaScript, with its broad utility in web development, continues to be a vital language in modern programming. Now let's unravel C++, the language that powers our computers. C++ is a high-flying language in the world of programming. It's like the secret sauce that spices up our digital lives. What makes it tick? It's all about performance and control. C++ is a compiled language, and that means it's fast. It's like a sports car in the world of programming languages, sleek, efficient, and built for speed. More than that, C++ is versatile. It's used in a wide array of applications, from operating systems to graphics. It's the engine behind software development and system programming. And do you enjoy gaming? Well, there's a good chance that your favorite video games were built using C++. It's the go-to language for game developers because it allows for greater control over graphical processes and hardware manipulation. But C++ isn't just about software. It's also a key player. in areas where control over hardware is necessary. Think robotics, real-time systems, and even medical equipment. With C++, programmers can get down to the nitty-gritty of hardware, tweaking and tuning to get the best performance possible. Yes, C++ can be complex. It's not for the faint of heart, but with that complexity comes power. Power to create, power to innovate, power to transform a simple machine into a technological marvel. And that's why, in the world of programming, C++ holds a place of honor. C++ may be complex, but its power and control over hardware make it indispensable. We've journeyed through Python's simplicity, JavaScript's web dominance, and C++ control over hardware. We have explored how each language, with its unique features, contributes to the digital tapestry that is the world of programming. Python, with its clear syntax and readability, has opened the door for beginners and experts alike to solve complex problems. JavaScript, the language of the web, has enabled dynamic and interactive user experiences, transforming how we interact with the World Wide Web. And let's not forget about C++, the powerful language that gives us control over hardware, lying at the heart of high-performance applications and games. But programming is not static. It's a vibrant, continuously evolving entity, always adapting, always innovating. It's a field where change is the only constant, and its future is as exciting as it is unpredictable. Imagine a world where quantum computing becomes mainstream, where problems that take years for classical computers to solve can be solved in seconds. Picture a future where artificial intelligence and machine learning are not just buzzwords, but integral aspects of our daily lives, enhancing our decision-making, automating mundane tasks, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Programming, the lifeblood of our digital age, continues to evolve, promising a future of endless possibilities. The question is, are you ready to be a part of it?